Welcome back to another PE coach workout video. We have our warm-up here. We're going dynamic warm-up today. Just a quick 4 or 5 different movements here to get the blood flowing. Let's get started. We're going to start with some jogging in place. Again, the goal here is to get all of our joints warmed up, get our muscles warmed up, get that blood flowing. All right, let's get a little bit of high knee as we jog. Bring those knees up. There we go. You can go a little slower, a little faster. Just warm up, just warming up. All right, let's take a quick pause there. Let's get some arm movement, some arm rotations here, forwards. And backwards. All right, ooh, our shoulders starting to burn, that's good. All right, let's do some butt kickers. So now we're gonna bring our heel to our butt, nice and tall. Alright, and I think we'll go one more. Sweepers. Okay, you're gonna step out, bring your toe up, leg straight, and you're gonna kind of bend down with your back leg, sweep up, and switch. Should feel a little stretch. Normally we would walk and do these, but for the sake of the video, and some of you doing this in your house, not having enough room, this will work. Let's go 2 more. All right, let's jump into that workout.
All right, you guys, welcome back with another workout. We have a really exciting one today. So some of the workouts we have are jack taps, squat uppercuts, flying RDLs, and drop the ball, or drop the box, some might like to call it. All right, so for these workouts, what you're gonna need is, obviously, if you have weights, that's gonna be the best. Dumbbells, if you have a medicine ball, that's also gonna be perfect. If you don't, which I understand a lot of us don't have, you can also use water bottles, shoes, cans of soup might work, spray bottles, something like that. You just want something that comes in a pair, so you have one for each hand. You don't want anything to be too heavy, all right? I recommend like 1 to 5 pounds, and that should be about perfect for you. So for the first workout we have today, we have jack taps. So how a jack tap is going to look is you're going to be in a squatting position. Your hands are going to go up like a jumping jack, and with your left foot to start, you're going to tap out with your toe. You're going to bring that toe back in, hands back down, hands go back up, and you're going to do the same thing with your right foot. Okay, you're just going to keep repeating that motion, left foot, then right foot after, for the whole 30 seconds. The modified version to that is, instead of being in a squat, you're gonna go standing, you're gonna stand straight up, okay? So you're still gonna, hands up like a jumping jack, left foot taps out, come back in, right foot after that. Next exercise we have are squat uppers, okay? So how squat uppers are gonna look is, you're going to go down into a squatting position, and as you come up, you want your right hand to swing across your body going straight up. Sort of like a Street Fighter Hadouken, all right? You want your torso to twist, you want your arm to twist, and you sort of want your right foot to like pivot out a little bit, just to give you like that full range of motion, okay? Then you see Mr. Stump, he's using 7.5 pound weights. What you can do to modify that is, don't use your weights at all. Okay, so like I said, if you have cans of soup, water bottles, shoes, anything you want to use it. If you don't, modified is going to be no weight at all. Next exercise we have, flying RDLs. Okay, so how this is going to start is, basically you want your torso to be parallel to the floor. Okay, so you're going to start on your left foot, your right foot is going to swing all the way back. You want your torso to be parallel with the ground. Okay, and then you want your hands to flap out like a bird, pulling your shoulder blades together. Okay, so this is gonna work on your balance, it's gonna work on your hamstrings, All right, so you really have to focus on your mind-muscle connection right here. All right, you want to get your torso as parallel as you can. Modified version to that, instead of kicking one of your legs all the way back, you're going to sort of hold yourself with your toe. Okay, so as Mr. Stump is going to demonstrate, you're going to hold your toe, a little bit more balance, and then you're still going to swing your arms out. And you want to really concentrate on pulling your shoulder blades together because that's going to be sort of like that connecting factor for the rest of the arm. Last exercise is going to be drop the ball or drop the box. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to start with the ball over your head. What you're going to do is come down into a squatting position, and you're sort of going to put that ball on the floor, just tap it on the floor, and then you're going to come right back up and then throw that ball right back over your head. All right, so this is sort of like a shoulder press / squat all in one. All right, again, if you don't have a medicine ball, what you could use is probably like a pillow, stuffed animal, something like that. Whatever you have that's going to represent like a ball. If you have a basketball as well, that'll work perfect. You know, soccer ball, something like that. Those are our workouts. Like, share, subscribe. Let's get to this workout.
Let's do it. All right, here we go. We got about 10 seconds, and then we're jumping right into this workout. We're glad you're here today with us. We're 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off. We're starting with our jack taps. Ready, go. We're in that squat position. Arms are up over the head. Keep your knees bent. Okay, you're as low as you can in that squat position. If you need to modify, remember, you're standing up just a little taller, knees bent, and doing the same thing. Reach that leg out, tap to modify. But if you're pushing it, get down real low, and reach. 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
And rest.
15-second rest.
Squat upper. Got our squat uppercut. If you have some weight, something you want to use, grab it. Otherwise, your fists are perfect. That is fine. Ready. Go. Squat, twist and press. Uppercut. Turn your body as you uppercut.
And if you guys notice our heels are up in the air when we throw our punch. All right, so you want to just twist your whole body.
5 seconds. 2, 1, rest.
That was nice and uniform.
That was pretty good.
That looked kind of good.
We're on it. 10 seconds here. Flying RDL. When you do this, we're squeezing our back. Squeeze the rhomboids together. Ready. Go. Single leg. Come down perpendicular. Back in and up. Switch. Nice and smooth. Catch your balance. Back up. Try to keep it back straight. And down. Remember to modify. All you gotta do is drop a foot behind you, come down, up, and you're good. And rest. One more in round one. This is the drop the box, drop the ball. We have a medicine ball here. You can use a pillow, you can use a weight if you have it. It doesn't have to be a medicine ball. Ready, go. Down to the ground and press up. Keep your back straight. You do not want to bend at the hips and touch the ground. You want to come down, squat, and then press. Four, 3, 2, and break. Round one done.
That was kind of fast.
3 more to go.
That was fast.
We're moving. 4, 3, jack taps. Ready. Go. You can go quick as long as you're maintaining a good body position. That's fine. Or you can slow it down. It's the best part about these workouts, Tabata, or HIIT workouts. You're doing as many as you can for your fitness level. Whatever works for you, the goal is to just keep moving. 2, 1, rest. Squat uppers.
Like it. Make sure you guys breathing. Make sure you guys are twisting your body.
10 seconds.
Weights are getting a little heavy, but it's okay.
My legs are feeling the burn. 3, 2, 1. Break.
Oh man.
Yeah, my legs are feeling a little bit. My shoulders. Flying RDL. Get a little bit of back into this. Make sure bend in the hips. Don't arch your back. Ready, go. Definitely working on balance. Ooh, man. You know what, this is getting, you want to do it this way, but you're having trouble with the balance. Pull a chair up, grab a table, dresser, whatever you have nearby, and use that to help balance. Modified might be too easy, balancing might be too hard. Do something to help it out. It's okay. Break. Oh. Drop the box. Dropping the box. 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Go. Try to keep your back straight. We're at 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Get one more in there. And break. Happy halfway.
Halfway.
Because that was round 2 of 4.
Oh Lord.
Keep it up. Ready, set, go. We're in jack taps, reach out, and arms up. Remember, to modify, just stand up a little taller. Step out, and come up. Out, come up. It's all good. Legs should be burning. Mine are. Here we go. We're at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Little break. Just enough. Catch your breath. Got our flying. Our squat. Squat and uppercut. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And go. Keep your back straight when you squat. Don't lean forward. You always want to make sure that your form is correct when you are doing your movements in your exercise. 3, 2, 1. Break. Ooh. Flying RDL.
Might be breaking a little sweat, but it's all right. I like it.
Ready? Go. When you bring your arms out wide, you are squeezing your back right in the middle, rhomboid muscle. Back in. My left leg doesn't balance as well. 2, 1. One more. Rest.
Nice.
All right, drop in the box. I am going to go no weight on this one. Let my legs get just a little break, but I'm gonna keep moving. Oh, yeah. Ready, set, go.
Gonna keep the weight. It's still kind of light. But for you, those of you doing no weight, knock it out.
Keep that back straight. I find myself, I want to look down, and that's when I do the wrong posture. 3, 2, 1. Whew. Round 3 is done. One more round. 7 seconds left. Then we're done. Just like that. Quick workouts when we bring you. Ready, set, go. Jack taps. The lower you can hold that squat, the better. And the harder. Make sure you're breathing. Back straight again. Don't squat and hunch. Nice and tall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, break.
Oh, shoulders are feeling it too for
sure.
Oh, wow.
Squat and uppercut. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Go. $15 seconds.
Oh, I'm feeling it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Wow.
I am feeling it.
Oh, that's it. Well, I hope you guys are getting as tired as I am. Flying RDL. 2 more exercises. 3. We're almost there. Ready. Go.
I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but we are breathing hard over here. Mr. Stomp a little bit louder than me, but
I got a couple years on you.
a couple.
No matter what your age, you can work out. 3, 2, 1. One more.
Nice.
I didn't think this was going to be as bad, or as hard, I should say, as hard as it is.
Oh, you guys should
I underestimated the workout. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Drop the ball. Here we go. Boom. Let's go. This is it. And then we cool down. 20 seconds. How many can you do? Let's go. 15. We're halfway. Knock them out. Knock them out. Good form. This is it. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2. One more. Rest.
And remember, you guys, for a quick cool down, you guys can do flamingos, arm circles for your shoulders, curl stretch, both legs together all the way down. There's a bunch of different things you guys could do, but I know after a workout like that, to get a good stretch in, to get your water after the workout, you guys need it.
Get some water, get some food in you, stay healthy. We'll see you next time.
Peace.